My name is Frank Ally. I'm a licensed California attorney dealing primarily in family law matters. This episode is part 2 of parenting time plans. How does a court determine what parenting time plan is in the best interest of your child? Now let's get started. If you and the other parent can't figure out what's best for your kids, the court's going to do it for you. This episode is going to discuss how does the court figure out what to do when two parents who supposedly love their child can't figure it out themselves. If the two parents can't figure out the best way to come up with a parenting time plan for their children, the courts will do it. Let's explore how the court figures out what's best for your kids. The broad general standard is what is the best interest of the child. In determining this standard, the court must use the health, safety, and welfare of the child as a primary consideration. This best interest standard is an elusive guideline that bellies rigid definition. Its purpose is to maximize a child's opportunity to develop into a stable, well-adjusted adult. And this best interest standard is a relative one. The question is not whether a particular set of circumstances is in the best interest of a child, but whether a particular set of circumstances in relation to an alternative set of circumstances is in the best interest of the child. The court must consider the following factors in determining your child's best interest. Those things are the child's health, safety, and welfare, which will be discussed in a subsequent video, which is linked below. The court will also consider the nature and amount of the child's contact with both parents, which is referenced in a subsequent video linked below. The court will also need to take into consideration a history of drug or alcohol abuse, linked below in another video. And also the court should and is mandated to consider a history of abuse in the relationship between the parents. The court will also discuss other relevant topics. These are also discussed in subsequent videos. The court must weigh all these factors. They weigh them, balance them, and determine a child's best interests solely from the child's standpoint. The court should not consider the feelings and desires of the contesting parents except as they affect the child's best interest. In the next video, we're going to talk about how the court makes that initial custody determination as opposed to making changes along the way. I'm Frank Ally. I'm your ally in family law. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like us, subscribe to us, share us, or buy me a cup of coffee. Thank you.